All right, this video is going to show touch math numbers, what they look like and where the touch points go. Okay, so here's the number 1. When we do ones, we're just doing a straight line down, and then the touch point is going to go at the top. The touch point is just a circle. So 2 is like this. We're not doing 2s like this. And there is a circle here and a circle here. Oh, so on the 1, when the student counts it, they're just going to count 1. For the 2, it's 1, 2. 3s look like that. And then 1, 2, 3. The student will count 1, 2, 3. 4s, I call it an open 4. Just some students want to use a 4 that looks like this, a closed 4. You can do it, but this is the way that I teach it. So if students gravitate towards this way and this is how they learn and they're resistant to this, then that's fine to do this one, but I would prefer this 4. So this is the touch math 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. There's not really touch points for this one because this first touch point isn't there. So I have had a student that will use this 4 and they put their own touch points on and they do it like this. But again, I'd rather them do it this way. And this is how I would teach it. 5, typical 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it doesn't really matter where they want to start counting from. If they want to start from here, that's fine, or they go down, that's fine. But when I'm teaching it, I will teach 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whichever way feels better for them. But I do start top to bottom. I've noticed if students start in random places, they'll forget to touch a touch point, or they won't know which one they have touched. So this is the last number with single touch points. So I'll show you those dots that are like this that we've been using up till now is just a 1 touch, 1. Count 1 single number. So now we're going to move into double touches. And when you double touch, they look like this. So when they see this, they count that dot twice. So 1, 2. So 6 has a double touch here, double touch here, and a double touch here. Those are like approximate locations. If they do it a little bit different, it's fine. But so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll have students that want to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But these are really supposed to be double touches, and you should touch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is a little bit tricky. So odd numbers, really 7 and 9 are a little bit tricky because they include single and double touches. I'll show you what I mean. So here's a 7. This first one is a single touch, and then you're going to have 3 double touches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that single touch, they only touch once, but these ones they touch twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I do avoid having this 7 tends to confuse students. They want to put touch points on this line and random places. So typically just use the normal 2-line 7. For 8s, I don't care if they want to do a figure 8 or if they want to do 2 circles. For a lot of students, the 2 circles is easier, and it makes a little bit bigger of a space for you to put your touch points. When you do this, it's a little bit more cramped, and so the touch points end up being a little bit more cramped and close together and sometimes harder. I tend to do them like this, and then I always regret it and wish I did this way, because the touch points are all double touches. So if you can leave more space, it's better. So if I did it on the figure 8, they're kind of close together. It gets a little bit more confusing. So if you can do it this way, that's great. If not, that's fine too. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the last touch point number is gonna be 9. So 1 single and 1 double on the loop, and then 3 doubles on the line down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is all of the touch point numbers. I'll draw them one more time, all on the same board. There are not any touch points for 10, because 10 would be like this, and you'd have 1 on the 10 and then nothing on the 0. And you would only use this if you were doing double-digit addition, which I'll do in a video later. See how that one's getting kind of cramped. The bigger the numbers, the better, because they don't cram. This marker is also thick.